Hello everyone! I just purchased today beautiful small Chanel purse and I would like to do unboxing. So please join me and let's take a look. It came in this great bag. Here is the box. Oh, it has little flower here. And receipt here. It's exciting. It's really pretty wrapped. Okay, here it is. Also comes with a bag. And I think there's some cleaning cloth inside. Okay, let's see it. So the color is dark navy blue. It looks almost black. Very light in weight. With a golden chain and also leather strap. And let's see inside. Okay, let's take a look inside. It's nice and roomy. There's inside ID card with number. And also there's a label, Chanel, made in Italy. Right here there's Chanel Paris. Very nice and roomy. Very convenient style. Okay, here it is.